Alright guys, let's continue. So based on our analytics, we were able to increase the client reach by 47.8% compared to last quarter. And also, no my god, please not now, please. Internet, Wi-Fi, please. Okay, huwag tayong gumalaw para isipin lang connected pa tayo. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Wait, ilan may Mississippi ba dapat to? No, please. PLDT, bakit mo ko iniwan sa gitna ng pangarap ko? Client presentation to, hindi to video call with my tita sa abroad. Okay. We have a globe hotspot to the rescue. Come on, alright? Signal, don't embarrass me in front of the foreigners. Please, kahit 2 bars lang, I promise, di na ako mag-Netflix habang naka-zoom.
And that is why we think you'd be a great fit for the campaign.
Oh, yes. I completely agree. Anong agree saan? Anong campaign? Sige, smile na lang tayo. I just realized, no, maybe I am not a virtual assistant anymore. Maybe I'm a virtual ally. Ally sa mga ISP na hindi consistent. Ally sa bandwidth na nagulo ko pag may client.